Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start with a new lesson. So before moving on, if you have not watched my previous lesson, so it's my request that you please go back and watch all my series and the previous session in which I taught you about the languages. And it's better that you start with lesson 1 so that your concept it is going to be crystal clear. So in this session we are going to practice hablar and poder. Poder is like power. You can remember this poder as power, and I told you the conjugation in my previous class, and also the conjugation of hablar, that is the regular verb. Regular, that is not going to give you pain, that is simple. Poder, it is irregular. It is going to give you a lot of pain, but once you are comfortable with that, so there are only few words. For you speak is hablar. For you speak, it will be tu, and the conjugation with this will be hablas. Chinese is chino, chino, chino. Tu hablas chino. For do, we don't use do in that. Tu hablas chino. You speak Chinese, and with your expression, you speak Chinese, like this. They can make it out. So no, I speak Hindi. So I speak is jo, and the conjugation with this hablar is hablo, H-A-B-L-O, hablo. And for Hindi, we are going to write Hindi. H-I-N-D-I, Hindi. H is silent, I-N-D-I, Hindi. And for no, we will write no. Tu hablas chino? No, yo hablo Hindi. Do you speak Hindi or Arabic? So, does he speak Hindi or Arabic? So, again, it is the third conjugation. Hablo, yo hablo, tu hablas, él, ella, hable, habla. You just have to add a at the end. So, does, we are not going to write this. So, L, for speak it is H-A-B, L, we are going to remove AR, we will remove this and we will write only A for the third form. Habla, Hindi, E, for Arabic it is Arabe, A-R-A-B-E, Arabe. If you speak Portuguese, you can speak Spanish. Yeah, this is true because Portuguese and Spanish, that is almost similar, but it is difficult for Spanish speaker to speak Portuguese. So the word for if is si, if you speak. Hablo, yo hablo, tú hablas, H-A-B-L-A-S, hablas, A-S with tú hablas, Portugués, P-O-R-T-U, Portugués, you can is yo puedo, tú puedes, P-U-E-D-E-S, puedes, because it's an ER verb, poder, ER, so it's not an AR verb, so you have to add ES. Puedes, you can speak, you can, puedes, for speak we are going to write the full verb, H-A-B-L-A-R, because we don't have any conjugation over here. So you can is tú puedes, and speak is hablar. For Spanish we will write español. We speak our mother tongue. So the word for our is nuestro. Con nuestro dinero. I told you in my possessive pronoun and possessive adjective class. So we speak. Speak is hablar, and for we is nosotros, or we hablamos. Look at the ending. Hablamos. Nosotros hablamos. Nuestro. N-U-E-S-T-R-O. Nuestro. You can write this or not. This is redundant. Our mother tongue. So again, we are going to crisscross this because adjective. Tongue. Tongue is lengua. From language. L-E-N-G-U-A. Lengua. And madre. Mother is madre. T-R. Madre. If you want, you can learn Chinese. Si tú quieres, Q-U-I-E-R-E-S, quieres, E-R, querer, Q-U-E-R-E-R, it's an ER verb. Tú quieres, so it's redundant. You can learn Chinese. So the word for learn is aprender. You is tú puedes, E-D-E-S, puedes. For learn we have aprender, A-P-R-E-N D-E-R, aprender. For Chinese, you are going to write Chino. C-H-I-N-O, Chino. I can speak Spanish, but I cannot speak. I can speak Spanish, but I cannot speak Chinese. So for I can is puedo, from poder. Power. Poder, I have the power to do. So poder. Yo puedo. P-U-E-D-O, puedo. Puedo. Speak is hablar. H-A-B-L-A-R, hablar. Español. 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 Pero. Cannot speak. So, no puedo. No puedo. For speak, we'll write hablar. H-A-B-L-A-R, hablar. Chinese, it is Chino. Chino. First, I can learn Spanish and then I speak Spanish. So, the word for first is primero. M-E-R-O, primero. Like you can remember this word with prime. The prime thing what you want to do. The Optimus Prime. I can is puedo. Yo puedo. P-U-E-D-O, puedo. Learn is aprender. A-P-R-E-N-D-E-R, aprender. Español. Español. And E. Then is después. Después. Or you can use luego. L-U-E-G-O, luego. For I speak is yo hablo. H-A-B-L-O, hablo. For Spanish it is español. Español. First we speak, then we repeat. The word for repeat is repetir. 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 So it's an IR verb. AR, ER and IR. These three forms of verb we have. So what we have to do? We have to add we repetimos. M-O-S we have to add here. So we is nosotros. Nosotros. Repetimos. Repetimos. First, primero. P-R-I-M-E-R-O, primero. We speak. Hablamos. H-A-B. Hablamos. Después or luego. Luego. E-G-O. Luego. Luego repetimos. First we speak, then we repeat. We speak very well. They speak very well. So speak is hablar. H-A-B-L. For they we will write hablan. A-N. A-N ending. So ellos, ellas. Ellos, ellas hablan muy bien. Muy. For well we have the word bien. B-I-E-N. Bien. But they cannot write. So the word for write in Spanish is escribir. Escribir. So escribir is like scribbing on something or a paper. So you can remember this word with scribble to scribble, scribbing. Pero cannot is pueden. Ellos pueden. P-U-E-D-E-N. Again for they the ending is en. Pueden, no pueden, de, pero pueden escribir. Escribir. To scribble. So in the next class we will start with the verb cocinar and we will see the conjugation of it. So until then, thank you everyone. See you in the next class.